explain the type of hearing loss. A. Conductive hearing loss. This occurs when there is damage to the outer or middle ear and hence preventing sound from conducting into the inner ear. B. Sensorial hearing loss. This is permanent hearing loss which occur when there is damage to the inner ear or the auditory nerve. Mixed hearing loss. This is combination of conductive and sensorial hearing loss. To state the engine control used for noise and vibration. Providing worker with hearing protective such as earplug. Conducting hearing tests periodically to check if any worker hearing ability is destroying. Relocate noise and vibration producing movement away from worker as much as possible, replacing noisy and vibration producing machinery with quieter noise. 1. Using sound and vibration dampeners. Eliminate machinery that may expose a worker to hazardous level of noise and vibration. Incorporate cushions or foams to the part of the machinery from where vibration could originate. Periodically provide awareness training to worker on the impact of exposure, noise, and vibration. Part 3. State the characteristic and purpose of sound level meter, impulse meter, frequency analysis. Dosimeter. A sound level meter is handheld acoustic measurement instrument that used to measure sound level. P. Impulse meter is an instrument that is used to measure the flow of fluid. Frequency analysis is an instrument that would display the magnitude of an electrical signal and its frequencies in an oscilloscope in the form of a waveform. A dosimeter is a device that used to measure radiation. Question 7. An employee in a foundry was using an overhead wall mounted electrically controlled crane to move a heavy casting from one position to another at his workstation. The casting weighed approximately 3,000 pounds. While he was moving the casting, it fell, causing the hoist cable to snap and strike the employee a glancing blow at his head. Fortunately, he was wearing protective head gear, or the blow could have been fatal when the hoist eyeballed simply fell. Remind the cause of the accident. The cause of the accident casting fall off is the failure of hoist eyebolt assembly. The hoist eyebolt assembly might have failed because the eyebolt assembly was not properly secured, or if the assembly was not properly maintained. It's also possible that the weight of the casting is beyond the capacity of the eyebolt. State the corrective action required. The incident need to be reported to the safety committee. The failed eyebolt assembly need to be replaced, and the crane need to be inspected. The maximum capacity that can be lifted using the eyebolt and crane should be inspected. So this is the follow-up action required. The following action required is weight capacity label should be pasted on the crane. If they are not presently there, the employee need to be examined by a doctor to ensure that the skull is not broken. He also need to be assisted by uh, physiotherapy because even if he wasn't visibly injured by the fall of the casting, there might have been an impact on his neck and shoulder. A fresh training need to be given to prevent employees on the use of crane.